So we got a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We're going to be installing an aftermarket amplifier, even though it's got a 8-inch already. So what we're going to do, we're going to run the speaker wire to the subwoofer right here. It is going to be a one of this color right there. I'm going to show you later. And I pry this up and run the wire straight over there. So I got the power ran over here. It's going to be a short video. So I pull this out. There's a clip like this, and just I pry this clip out. First I pry this out and then grab this and pull it out right there. It's just a normal clip. So we're gonna do, we're gonna run the wire. We're gonna cut the wire down here somehow. So I can, actually you probably don't have to, but if I can't reach it, I might be able to reach it right there. I just shove the wire down here and then go straight out there. We might have to pull this out too, or I'm just gonna grab the coat hanger and just pull this wire up there, make it a lot easier, faster and easier. Shove this coat hanger right here straight to it and see if I can reach it. Yes, you can see that right there. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strip this insulation out. So we got this zip tie right there. I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna grab that, and so what I've done, I use the fuse holder right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna strip this insulation about 3/4. Now I use an Allen wrench to remove this. This is for 8 gauge, and when you take this out, that ring out, it's gonna be a 4 gauge, and then I'm just gonna tighten it back. So now I got this right here. I got the power, everything ran. I'm gonna just leave it right there. And once I'm done with everything, you're gonna need a 10mm to remove, not this one over there. I'll show you on that one. I'm gonna tie this to like this so it hold on to something. I'm gonna make a hole and just let it tie, or I can let it down like this, but I like to just tie the wire right there so it don't just fall down. And then probably the first time I'm gonna do it on the seat bolt right there. I'm gonna remove that out. I'm gonna put the ground right there. I'm gonna try to clean this up a little bit. I know this got a good ground right there, right here, but I'm gonna kind of scrape this up a little bit. I mean, I never really do. I usually do it right here by clean it up and soft tap to screw it, but I'm gonna do it this side and see how it is. What I got right here, I got the blue white. I'm considered as a positive. Where's blue and white? Say blue and white right there. So basically gray brown is gonna go right here, and then the other one, which is black, or this one is blue, I'm gonna use it as negative. So that's gonna go to green and brown right here. That's for the subwoofer coil 1. You guys probably wonder where this is at. Okay, this is the left side, and what I did, I didn't have to take all that out. I'm just gonna take a flathead and pry it out. That's it. Now you're gonna go to the amplifier, and where the amplifier is at, so the one with the white, which is positive, where's that at? Right there with the white. I'm gonna hook it up to both connection right there. So gray and white, and then the other one, which is I consider as a negative, you know, it'd be black wire, negative. So you can hook it up to the one with the black stripe, gray black and white black. See that? And then I'm gonna hook this blue to the remote. Now the next thing I got is the black right there. I'm gonna tap with the black wire to the ground. All right, so what I got 2 positive and 2 negative to the speaker over here. This is a kicker. That's how it looks after it's done. Sorry, it's not a professional look, but it's done.
But it's safe.
It's safe. Oh, it's definitely safe. So this is 10mm right there. Loosen that up and cut the ring terminal to make like a fork, and tighten it back in, and you're good to go. What I got right there, I got power right there with that ground from the line out converter kickers, and then the Bluetooth remote and power on the bottom right there. We'll say ground right there, and then power. Let's see what's happening. He's gonna turn the key on, and amp is on. We're ready to go. We'll just adjust some sound.